You're showing me your sister, huh, Khanak? She is like you, I think so. Yeah? Okay. Something which I want to announce you. You have to keep 3 ice cream stick with you. Do you all have ice cream sticks? Right? In your kit must be have. You have to keep 3 ice cream stick. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And a Favicol, pencil eraser, then your maths notebook, maths head textbook, and your Jodo Gyan kit. Okay? Today you have to take the blocks one. You have a small block, right? That one you have to take. 3 ice cream stick. 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream sticks, a Favicol, and your maths notebook and textbook, and your Jodo Gyan kit with the blocks one. I'll show you which one. Wait a minute, huh? Will come. I'll show you. This block one. Okay, the block kit. You all have this one. This much thing you have to keep it with you. Yes, Priya, good morning. So everybody knows it, what you have to keep it with you. 3 ice cream sticks, your Jodo Gyan block 1 kit. Yes, then your maths notebook, maths textbook, maths ahead textbook, pencil eraser, and a glue. Okay, this one Jodo Gyan kit you will keep, the block 1. आपके पास होगा, you all have this one. This block 1. Okay, this one you have to keep. Yes, now keep all the things aside. Now join your hands and close your eyes. We will start with the prayer. Okay, join your hands and close your eyes. Everything I am. Sit properly, huh, everyone? Hate, please keep your video on. I can't see you, Hate. Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Good morning. Good morning to your friends. Good morning to Dada.
कितने blocks चाहिए?
Huh?
कितने blocks चाहिए?
I'll let you know. Wait a minute. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Now, yes, everyone will write the date today's date in the chat box as we are doing. Okay, everybody write the date in the chat box. What is the date today? Yesterday it was 14th. Then what will come after 14? Yes, Gauri, correct. What is the date? Yes, Kia, correct. Shiven, correct.
God bless you.
Oh, yes, I forget. After finishing the date, we will do the God bless you. Yes, Ayansha is also correct. Kia, the day is also correct. Gauri, day is correct. Yes, Hate, day is correct. Paki, correct. So, yesterday it was 14th. Yes, Nivan, Shlok, Hate, correct. So, what will come after 14th? Now, ma'am will write. So, everyone, you are today's date is what will come after 14th? 15th, right? So, today is 15th June 2021. So, today's date is 15th June 2021. Okay, and today's day is Tuesday, right? Today's day is Tuesday. Okay, the date is 15th and the day is Tuesday. Now, yes, as we forget to do one thing, that is God bless me, right? So we can do right now. God bless you. God bless you. Okay. Now, before starting the class, again I want to tell you that you have to keep 1, 2, and 3 ice cream stick with you. Okay, only 3 ice cream stick with you. Then this block from your kit, Jodo Gyan kit you have now, from that you have to keep this block 1 kit with you. Okay, this block you have to keep it with you from Jodo Gyan kit. And you have to keep 1 Fevicol, right? Your pencil, eraser, and your maths notebook and maths textbook. Hate, are you there? Yes, now I can see you are putting something. Hate, I can't see you. So this thing you have to keep it with you. Yes, Shiven.
I do not have ice cream stick.
You don't have ice cream sticks, that's fine. But everybody has get it in the kit. You don't have it.
Ma'am, actually we are out of station, so
Oh, yes,
the kit,
Okay,
kit
no
has been
No problem. You can do the drawing with that. Okay, you can draw the things. Whatever we will do. Okay. Hate, उसको गन बना के हमको खेलना नहीं है. We are not supposed to play with it. चलो. So what we are going to do? Yes, everybody keep the things aside. When ma'am will tell you, at that time you can use it. Okay. So yesterday we have learned number 1, and then we have learned number 2. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Now, what will come after 2? Number 3, right? Number 1, number 2, and number 3, right? So, can you tell me what are the things which we can see? 3. Number 3, okay? What else we can see? Number 3.
Sister 3. TV can be
Ma'am, rickshaws wheel.
Yes, very good. Very good, Kia. So whenever you can see the rickshaws, right? How many wheels rickshaws have? 3 wheels, right? 1 ahead and 2 back side. What else we can see? 3.
Auto.
Yes, rickshaw is same.
Ma'am, coconut.
Yes.
Traffic light.
एक second. Alam, एक second. Yes, Khanak, I can't hear you.
Coconut has 3 holes.
Coconut hair.
3 holes.
I didn't get it. But Arav has said the right thing.
Triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides.
Traffic light.
Okay, triangle. Yes, Kanak, you want to say triangle. Right? Yes, you are correct. The triangle has 3 sides. Yes. Yes, your fan has 3. Okay, Arav has also told the correct answer, the traffic light, right? Yes.
Traffic light.
Yes, Arav, you are correct. The traffic light has 3 lights, right? Red, yellow, and green. So it has a 3 light, right? So that is also correct. And yes, Khanak has said the triangle is also correct. The Kia told the fan. You have a fan, right? How many wings the fan has? 3 wings, right? So that all things has a 3. So today we will going to do the activity for the number 3, that we are going to use this ice cream stick and we will make triangle. Okay, as Khanak told now, the triangle has 3 sides. So you will stick the triangle ice cream stick in the shape of triangle in your maths notebook. Okay, so first of all, take your maths notebook, open a fresh new page. New page. Yesterday we have written number 2. So after number 2, the new page, over there you will write today's date in the corner and put heading number 3, right? Like this. You will write the date, then number 3. Okay? And then you have to stick the triangle on it. And Shiveen, you don't have ice cream stick, so you can draw the triangle and color it. Okay, bacha? So everyone just write the date. Khanak, are you able to understand, everybody? Shlok, you have to write the date and the heading number 3. And then you have to stick the triangle. Yes. Then you have to stick the triangle. You have to stick the ice cream stick in the shape of triangle. Can you see here? This is the way you have to do. You have to stick the ice cream stick in the shape of triangle. Okay? Why? Because the triangle has 3 sides and we are learning number 3. So whenever you forget, then you can remember the triangle has a 3 sides and 3 angles. Everybody, please do it by yourself. Okay, this much so you can do it by yourself. I like if you are doing it by yourself, because it's just a triangle, so you have to stick it. The ice cream stick, just you have to stick the ice cream sticks. That's it. Yes, I can see Nivan is doing. You can take a Favicol and you can put it on the ice cream stick. 2 dots.
I'm done.
Who is done? Kia, you are done. Very good, Kia. Very good.
Thank you.
So just you have to take the Favicol and then you can stick. Yes, Paki. Very nice, Paki. Good. Kia and Paki is done. Very nice. Nivan, you are done. Very good, Nivan. Yes, very good. Even I can see Ayansh is also done. Very good, Nivan and Ayansh. So you have to just stick the triangle. Ma'am is also done.
अरे यार बार-बार होता है.
Shlok, your microphone is on. Yes, very good, Shivin. You have drawn the triangle and color it. Very nice. Very good. So the triangle has 3 sides. One side, 2 side, and 3 sides.
See, ma'am,
Yes, I can see yours also. Shlok. Very good. I can see yours. What about you, Khanak? Prayag, Danish, Arav, Heth, Himay, Shri, I can't see you. Please on your video. Yes, I can see Gauri. Gauri, very good. Yes, Arav, I can see yours also. Good job. Yes, Prayag, good job. Very good. Good. Very nice. Shri, are you there? I can't see you, Shri. Keep your video on. Please keep your video on. Today, who is absent? Laksh is absent, right? Laksh and Yanvi. That's it. Anybody else is absent? You can see your friends who is absent and you can tell me. Acha, okay, Shri, your camera is not working. Okay, fine. Yes, Himay, you want to say something, bacha? Okay, you want to show your triangle. Very good. A little bit this side. Okay. Yes, now I can see. Yes, yes. Okay, Himay, very good. Good job. So here we are done with number 3 activity. Yes, Paki, please tell me, bacha. Yeah, what happened? Why you wearing this? Paki, you want to say something? Your microphone is on. Blocks, I'll tell you what you have to do with the blocks. Yes, yes, Khanak, I can see your triangle also. Good. Nice. Chalo, anybody is left to complete this triangle? I think so everybody is done, right? So now here we are done with number 3, right? We will write number 3 also, but after some time, after 5 minutes. Now, as number 1, number 2, and number 3, we have so many things now. Only one, that is yesterday. Yes, Heth, why you have not stick it in your notebook? आपको आपकी मैथ्स की नोटबुक में you have to stick that. Okay? One sun, one moon, your one nose. Yes, Vedika, I can see yours also, bacha. You have colored also the atom stick. Very nice. It is looking nice. Very good, Vedika.
already colored.
It was already colored. It is looking nice. Very nice.
Papa. One mama, one papa.
Oh, one mama and one papa. Okay. So we have one nose, one tongue, right? One head. So we have learned number 1. Then what will come after 2 from our body parts? Now 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, right? Even you have 2 lips. 1, 2. Okay. Now, yes, Danish, I can see yours, bacha. Very good, Danish. You have completed that activity. Huh?
Two sister.
You have a 2 sister. Okay. Well, that's good. Then we have learned number 3 today, right? What we have learned, you have given me so many examples. We have 3 traffic light signals, then 3 wheels auto rickshaw is having, then a triangle has a 3 sides, right? So these are the number 3 where we can see. Ayansh, bacha, what are you doing still now? Ayansh, are you paying attention? No need to write anything right now. I didn't told you to write anything. Just wait after some time. Then what will come after?
monkey.
Oh, very good. So everybody can do that action, right? Very good, Shlok. Gandhi ji ke teen bandar, right? Do you all remember? Gandhi ji has the 3 bandars. That what they do? One is having Bura mat dekho, right? Everybody close your eyes like this. Bura mat dekho.
Bura mat bolo.
Yes, Bura mat bolo. Then you have to keep your hand on your mouth. Okay, Bura mat bolo. And then the third one.
Bura mat suno.
Bura mat suno, right? So Gandhi ji has a 3 bandars with a 3 message, right? Bura mat dekho, Bura mat bolo, and Bura mat suno. I love this example, Shlok. Very good. I like this example. Very nice. So here we have done number 3. ये एक निवान को है ना, बस ऐसा लग रहा है अभी उसको we will take it. I will take it at my place because he just wants to play, right, Nivan? है ना? You just want to play. Don't laugh. Now we will learn number 4. What will come after number 3? Number 4. Okay. So do you all remember anything with number 4?
4 has a triangle. Well,
Yes. Yes. We have shape that is having 4 sides.
curve and square.
Okay.
And 4 wheel.
Yes. Now mute your microphone, everyone. Very good. Mute your microphone. So we have 2 shapes that have a 4 sides or 4 angle. That is square and rectangle, right? The square has 4 sides.
Diamond.
And even yes, the diamonds also have 4 sides. So square, then rectangle, and as Kia told, diamond. Okay, this all shapes has 4 sides or 4 angle. Then Nivan and somebody else has told that the car wheel or 4-wheeler, that a car has 4 wheel, right? So that is also a true. Okay, they has a 4 wheels. So now what you are going to do, we will do a small activity for number 4. Yes. Animal has 4 legs. Yes, you can say that also. That is also true. Now you have to use your blocks, only 4 blocks, and you have to make a tower. Okay?
Animals have 4 legs.
Huh? Sorry, Khana?
Animals have 4 legs.
Yes, absolutely true. Animals has a 4 legs. Very good. Yes, the car one is also correct. Now you have to take only 4 blocks and you have to make a tower.
Nancy.
Yes, Kia has done. Very good, Kia. Even ma'am is also doing. Let's see ma'am is able to do.
Ma'am, I don't have judo kit.
Okay, then who's not doing this Jodo Gyan kit?
See, ma'am, my 4 tower.
Yes, I can see hate is done. I can see somebody has told that. Even I think Nivan is done, right, Nivan?
4 blocks tower.
You have to make a tower using the 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4 blocks. Yes, Arav is showing. Shivain is showing. Nivan is doing something else. Then Shlok is showing me. Khanak, you are done. Kia has done. Hey, you have to use just 4 blocks, not all the blocks. Only 4. Danish is correct. Yes, Danish. Very good. Okay, I can see Ayansh is doing in a different way. I think so. He don't have the blocks. So he is using the hand with her mother. That he making a tower. 1, 2, and 2 more hands. Right? Very good, Ayansh. Very nice. I love this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
4 square.
4 squared. Okay, wait a minute, huh? Just do this activity and you can show me nearby your screen. Very good. Yes, as Kia is showing, that also we can make, right? We can make a square using the blocks, right?
I'm done.
Very good. We can make a square also. We can make tower. We can make square. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Everybody's done with this. You can show me square also. You can show me tower. Very good, Kia. I can see Kia. I can see Khana. I can see Prayag is doing very nice. I can see Nivan is done. Paki is doing very good, everyone. Yes, yes. I can see Het is also showing me. Het, Shlok, Khanak, Danish, Kia, Arav, Vedika is doing. Paki is done. So here we are done with this small activity. Now keep all the blocks and everything aside. Now take your Maths Ahead book. Everyone take your Maths Ahead book and open page number 1818 and 1919. Okay? Yes, Gauri, very nice. Now you have to take your Maths Ahead book, open page number 18 and 19. Over there, you have to write number 3 and then number 4, right? First of all, you have to do the tracing and then you have to write number 3 and number 4. Start writing, everyone. Yes, Bacha?
Page number what?
Page number 18, 18, and 19. You have to write number 3 and number 4. I hope everybody know how to write. If anybody don't know, let me know. I will tell you how to write. Page number 18, 18, and 19 you have to open. '18 and 19.
One five 50 now.
No, bacha. 18. 18 where it is written number 3. You have to write number 3 and number 4. 18 and 19. Yes. Then now write number 4. The one who will complete number 3, they will write number 4. Okay, Het, you are completed. Very good. Very nice. Now the class, today we will write in Maths Ahead notebook. You have to write number 3 and number 4 in Maths notebook also, but you can complete it at home. Okay, I will upload today after finishing the class. The one who has completed number 3 and number 4, they can leave the class. Okay, Het, you can leave, no issue. Bye-bye. Okay, I can see Prayag is also done. Very good, Prayag. You have completed number 3 and number 4. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Kia is also done. Okay, Kia. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये 3 और 4 पेज मैथ्स अहेड बुक में करना है ना टेक्स्ट?
Yes, yes. No, yes, अभी मैथ्स अहेड बुक में करना है. Right now in मैथ्स अहेड बुक.
नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है
नहीं,
ना?
नोटबुक में उनको घर से करना. Not right now. Afterwards, finishing the class. Only मैथ्स अहेड बुक में. Nivan, why you are taking help of your mama while writing the numbers? You don't know how to write?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आज हम लोग लास्ट क्लास नहीं कर पाएंगे, हिंदी है ना लास्ट.
Yes, ma'am, we are
हाँ.
going to do a new topic after Vyanjan next year.
एक सेकंड बेटा, क्या
So
हुआ मैम?
Vyanjan करने वाले मैम, new Vyanjan we will start. I mean the next letter.
बट एक्चुअली
It's
मैम
not
है ना,
possible.
नो मैम, एक्चुअली मेरी क्लास है 11 o'clock को, रेकी हीलिंग की, ओनली आज का दिन.
Okay, okay, no problem then. Fine, ma'am. Make him the review.
देना, मैं उसमें से देख लूंगा.
नहीं, मैं नहीं भेजूंगी. Why will नहीं भेजना मैम को. Okay, I'll send. Don't worry, I will send. If possible, please join the class. अगर possible हो पाता है 15 minutes भी अगर you want to take the question, then also it's fine. Try to do it. Okay, no
ओके
problem.
मैम.
Yes, I can see Nivan is done, Himay is done, Arav is done, and even Shiveen is done. Very good, all of you four. Okay, no need to shout, bachcha. Yes, Ayash, I can see you all also done. Ayash, लेकिन आपके numbers है ना ऐसे हवा में क्यों उड़ रहे हैं? Why it is flying in the air? Write in a straight way. You are writing slanting way. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Kanak, what happened? Everything is good? Don't know? Are you able to write? Okay. Yes, I can see Patni is done. Even Yanvi has joined right now. Slok, okay, I can see you. Slok, you are done. Very good, Slok. Yanvi, the class is over, but you have to just. Yes, bye. Yanvi, the maths class is over, bacha. You can write number 3 and number 4 in Maths Ahead book. Okay, today. Okay, Danish, I can. नोटबुक में बच्चा घर से लिखना है नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4. ओके, कल 1 और 2 किया ना, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू 3 and 4. सो दैट इज इन अपलोड राइट नाउ. आपको मैथ्स अहेड जो बुक है उसमें करना था, सो यू कैन डू इन दैट. वेरी गुड वेदिका, यू आर डन. वेरी गुड आरव, आई थिंक सो यू आर आल्सो. बाय दानिश. यस, यू आर डन. शो मी नंबर 4 नाउ.
My work is done.
आपने नीचे ट्रेसिंग के बीच नीचे वाले बॉक्स नहीं कंप्लीट किए बच्चा? कंप्लीट इट एट होम.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय बाय. यस यानी
मैम मेरी फोन में ना बैटरी 2 थी इसलिए क्लास
कोई
नहीं
बात
चालू
नहीं
हुआ.
बच्चा. Okay, bacha, no problem. Arav, you are done. You can leave the class. It's okay, Yanvi. You can complete it at home.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
ये हमारे